What is going on, crypto fiends? Ramertilla here. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the newest addition to the Ellipal hardware wallet series, the Ellipal Titan. They also sent us the Ellipal numeric metal as well to put our seed phrase on. So we are going to be unboxing both of these as well as setting up the wallet in today's video. Alright, so here we have the Ellipal Titan. Definitely a nice upgrade from the previous packaging of the other wallet. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice little flip. It looks like we have a nice little thank you card from Ellipal. And here is the device. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Look how satisfying that is. There we go. And here we have the device. Wow, I gotta say, guys, this is a lot nicer from the previous Ellipal. Definitely a nice upgrade. It's a lot heavier. It's all metal. You can definitely tell that it's metal. Has this very nice grooved pattern on the back that is actually etched into the metal Ellipal logo. Nice triangle camera, gives it some style, and overall very nice layout. So let's put that to the side and let's see what else we have in here. Under the foam, looks like we have some stickers from Ellipal. We have our numeric sheet. We have the manual on how to set it up. And we have a very, very nice cable. This is a very nice threaded cable. And this is what you would use actually for software updates on your Ellipal device. This is really cool to see that they have this. This is the first time I've seen this with any hardware wallet where you actually plug this in to the bottom here where these grooves line up. It's magnetic. And you put in you charge it this way, as well as putting in an SD card to upgrade your device as well. Definitely a cool feature. Haven't seen that on any other hardware wallet, to be honest with you. I really like that. And I think that is it. Yes, that is it. So let's go ahead and turn the device on by holding down the side button. And there we go, Ellipal is powering on. Alright, so to start off with the setup guide of the Ellipal Titan, they want us to choose a language, so we're going to go ahead and press English. Now they have a QR code here. This is to download the mobile app on your phone. Now you do need a mobile device for this wallet. You cannot use a desktop at this time. So go ahead, download that onto your phone, and then we're going to go next. Create an account, recover via numeric phrase, or import account. We're going to go ahead and create a new account for the sake of this video. I'll just name this Ryan's Wallet. The buttons, the screen layout is pretty nice. It's like any traditional Android, but it's very responsive, which is a plus. I know in the past a lot of these other wallets, not naming any names, but they are not very responsive, and it's a pain in the ass. You have to click a little bit above, a little bit below the letters, and it can just become a headache. So this account is just for the sake of this video. Don't think you can hack my account or anything like that. We can choose select BTC address type, general or SegWit. We'll keep that on SegWit, and a passphrase is optional as well for your Ellipal account. So we are creating the account right now. So once your account is created, they are going to have you back up your numeric phrase. So they want you to keep in mind that your numeric phrase is very important. And this is me telling you guys this. Make sure you don't lose your numeric phrase. If you lose what we're about to write down and you can't get access to this device, you will lose your cryptocurrencies forever. And I know that sounds scary, but it's just being realistic. You need to make sure that you write this numeric phrase down, you keep it in a safe, dry place, and maybe have another backup somewhere as well. So we're going to go ahead and confirm all of those and back up now So as you guys can see on the screen, again, this is just for the sake of the video. You never want to show these words to anyone, but we do have 12 words here. So I'm going to go ahead and write these 12 words down and then press next. So once you put in all the words, you're going to go ahead and press verify, and your backup was successful. So it's going to bring you to the home page where you can select all the different coins. As of right now, they have a very good variety of coins. They even have Cardano on here, which is awesome to see. Of course, Bitcoin. You guys get the idea. Long list of cryptocurrencies to choose from. So we're going to go ahead and press OK. And as you guys can see, our wallet is all ready to go. So what are we going to do next? So what we're going to do is we are going to connect to the app, and a QR code is going to pop up. Now this popped up when I pressed on the BTC wallet. Now what I'm going to do now is go over to my Ellipal account, and this is my old wallet for my other Ellipal device, and I am going to press this plus button right here and then scan the QR code. And as you guys can see, my new wallet just appeared. This is my Bitcoin wallet right here. These two will match. If you go to receive and you go over here and go to your address, they should match up. So I know you guys probably can't see it on the screen that well, but right here you have 34G and the end is YEF, and it's the exact same over here. So that's a good way to know that these wallets are identical. And I want you guys to understand that you do need both of these in order to send cryptocurrencies. You don't need them to receive cryptocurrencies necessarily, both of them, but you do need them to send. So just to give you guys a quick rundown as to how this works, this device is completely offline. It utilizes QR codes to pretty much unlock the sending ability on this device. And when you do go to send, it will have you scan this device in order to send that cryptocurrency out as well. So you do need both of these in order to send, but if you did want to just receive Bitcoin, for example, you can go to your wallet and you could copy your address right here, and you can just send it to your friends and family that way. Now looking at the device here, down here you can add different coins. If we did not add all of them, but I believe we added all of them. Right up here you have a little settings button. You could press that, change the languages, screen lock settings, update, and the about page. And right here, this is where you can connect your app to your device as well. So if I wanted to connect all of my different wallets to my device, I could do it like this. I could autoplay it. And as you see, it's connecting all 21 different cryptocurrency wallets to my device right now. And then as you see on the screen, it's loading. And all of the cryptocurrencies just popped up. So these are all of my cryptocurrency wallets. So again, if I want to see the address, I can simply click on Ethereum and my address will be right there. And if I do want to send my Ethereum out of my wallet, I will have to have access to this device in order to do so. So, going over to the Numeric metal sheet, this is the main device right here. As you can see, it flips open with a hinge. And you have 1 through 12 all the way to 24. So what's cool about this is if you did do a 12 numeric phrase, you could actually put 2 different wallets in here. Not that I necessarily advise you to do so, but if you had 2 numeric phrases that were 12 words long, you could actually put 2 in here and then just know which one's which. So under here, we actually have all of the different letters. Now, I'm not going to be inserting my numeric phrase for the sake of this video, but this is really, really nice, guys. Really high quality metal, and it seems like it's a pretty easy process to punch these little letters out and place them into here. So, for example, if I had a word that was smart, I would pop out SMART out of these letters, unscrew these little screws right here with the screwdriver that they provide. Take off these 4 little screws, slide those little letters in to spell out smart, and then I would do that for every single word. So there you have it, guys, the Ellipal hardware cryptocurrency wallet. I gotta be completely honest with you, and I'm not just saying this for the camera. I'm really impressed by this device. I did not expect it to be this good. I did not expect it to feel this good. This is a huge upgrade from their first generation hardware wallet, a complete upgrade. The fact that it's metal, it's completely enclosed, it has a completely new design when it comes to charging and updating, and it is completely offline. Definitely a game changer. If you guys are in the market for a hardware wallet, and that's why you're watching this video, this is seriously a great option to consider. This is definitely going to compete with the Ledger Nano X and even Treasure, and who knows, maybe overtake them one day as well. I will be doing a review video of this device. This video wasn't necessarily a review because I didn't really get to interact with it that much. I want to actually send cryptocurrencies in and out of the device and have a little bit of time to reminisce with the device and just utilize it myself. So I will be posting a review video within a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, and also if you did find this video informative, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up on the video as well. I will be leaving a link down below. It is a referral link. It's not necessary to use, but if you do want to use that link, I do get a slight kickback on all the purchases from Ellipal products. It is always appreciated, but of course not necessary. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next.